In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete Deepseek account on your phone. Let's dive right in. First, open the Deepseek app. Make sure you are logged in. Now click on the top left corner on these two horizontal lines icon right here. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom left corner right here. Now tap on data controls. Here you can see delete account at the very end. Tap on delete account. Now you will be asked to confirm it again. Deleting your account is permanent, so make the decision and click on delete. And that's it, you have successfully deleted your Deepseek account on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.